Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to use Deepseek Voice Chat, a next level AI experience that, yes, can outshine ChatGPT in 2025 when you want structured and reasoning rich answers via voice. DeepSeek's R1 model shines when it comes to step by step logic, math, and real time task execution, beating out ChatGPT on many practical fronts according to recent tests. To enable voice interactions, just install the Voice Wave Chrome extension, then open DeepSeek in your browser and click the voice mic icon or hit the X key to start speaking. DeepSeek will reply in a natural sounding TTS voice while highlighting the words in sync. The result is a fluid and immersive experience. Talk to it like a human assistant with real time voice back and forth and multilingual support across 145 plus languages. Now you get DeepSeek's unmatched clarity and logic in audio format, whether you're planning, coding, or tutoring. Without typing a thing, that's how you DeepSeek your voice chat. Smarter, sharper, and hands free. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech forward tutorials like this.